How to create Snapchat lens. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So creating a Snapchat lens is a fun way to add custom AR effects. Snapchat uses a Lens Studio, a free desktop app, to design and publish the lenses. You can create a Snapchat lens by downloading the Lens Studio. For that, you can go ahead, open your Google Chrome web browser. Now search for lensstudio.snapchat.com. Go to the official website of Lens Studio. Here, you can go ahead and download and install the Lens Studio if you're using Windows or Mac. And you can open the Lens Studio and choose a template. You can customize your lens, use the 3D objects, animations, textures, and scripts. You can import your own assets or use Lens Studio's built-in tools as well. And then you can preview your lens live with your webcam. And you can test your lens. Use the Snapchat app on your phone to scan the snap code generated by Lens Studio. Submit your lens, and then once happy, click on Submit Lens and fill out your name, category, etc. and submit for this Snapchat's review and approval. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.